I'm going to use this bonding glue, the hair bonding glue, the black one, and these long eyelashes. Put some glue on a surface or in some container where you can dip the eyelashes when putting on your eyes. So guys, it's just a matter of taking eyelashes and holding them well, dipping the glue and installing on your eyelid. And make sure that you don't put the glue on your eyes, inside your eye, because it can affect you. Though it's not that bad glue, but you just know the eye is very sensitive and it can affect you. It depends with every individual. So just arranging them well on my eyelid, and don't leave the big spaces. I don't like it when the lashes are scarce, so that's why I put them. I don't leave a big space. Yeah, so it also looks better when the lashes are thick. Before I'm done with the installation, let me just use my mascara to comb them so that I can see where the space is left. Any space I'm going to fill again. Yeah, I've noticed there are some big spaces that are left, and I'm just going to add on the spaces some lashes. I feel now this is the thickness that I need, and just going in with my mascara again to make the final touch. Oh no, I realized that some areas needed more filling, and I'm just going in with the lashes again in those areas. Done with the lash installation, and I'm going to use the black eyeliner now to line the eyelid. Now on my lips, I'm going to apply a lipstick, and this is the perfect way to apply lipsticks. First of all, I always wipe my lips with the wet wipes to remove the dirt and also foundation. Then I use the Vaseline jelly. I apply on the lips and then wipe again. Then I apply a lipstick of my choice, either ombre or any color. Then after I'm done, I'm going to use this Fix It makeup spray, and yeah, the girl is glowing, everything is okay, beautiful, very dry. Bye guys, thank you for watching and subscribe if you haven't. See you next time. Bye.